Now, before you rush to buy MTN shares, GCB, Bank, or any other stock simply because everyone says they are going up, remember this. Just a few years ago, almost everyone in Ghana was talking about Bitcoin. People wanted to know which coin would do 10 times or 100 times of their money, and people wanted to know how to trade and how to make quick profits. But today, something has changed. I'm seeing more and more people asking questions like, how do I buy MTN shares? Is Kasapreku a good investment? Should I invest in Bank instead of crypto? So the big question is crypto dying? The quick answer is no, but then the market is growing very fast. You see, during the last crypto bull run, almost every coin was pumping. It didn't really matter whether the project had real value or not. Money was just flowing everywhere, and many people even thought that the prices will continue going up forever. But you guys see what's going on today. Everything is completely different. Investors are now becoming smarter. They are looking for assets that can create long-term value, whether it is from dividends from companies like MTN Ghana or potential growth from assets like Bitcoin. And honestly, I don't think this is a competition between stocks and crypto, because there are two different types of investments. When you buy shares in companies like MTN or GCB, you are buying ownership in a business that generates revenue and may reward shareholders through dividends. Likewise, when you buy Bitcoin, you are investing in a digital asset that has the potential for long-term growth, but it also comes with higher volatility. So instead of asking these questions like which one is better, maybe the question should rather be which one fits my financial goals, because some people prefer steady returns and lower risk, while other people are just willing to accept more risk for the possibility of higher returns, while there are other people who are doing the two of them. They are buying quality Ghanaian stocks and at the same time holding crypto for the long term. Personally, I don't think crypto is disappearing anytime soon, but then the same time, you guys need to know that traditional investments like stocks, they are just too big to be ignored. Now, before you rush to buy MTN shares, GCB, Bank, or any other stock simply because everyone says they are going up, remember this. No market goes up forever. Just like crypto had its great moments and people made lots of money, but then now it is experiencing a major correction. The stock market also has good years and bad years. There will be times when the stock prices will fall. Some businesses may even fail, or they may even struggle to give you money. That is the reality of investing. The biggest mistake many people make is buying something only after everybody starts talking about how much money they are making in that particular business. By that time, the opportunity may have already gone. So don't invest just because something is going up today. Invest because you have done your research, you understand the risk, and you are prepared for both the good times and the bad times. So that's it for today. But then the question for today is, if I gave you 1,000 Ghana cedis today, would you put it into Bitcoin, MTN shares, Kasapreku, GCB, Bank, or would you rather split the money between all of them?